Hello, this is Wiley from Learn to Barbecue. On the RecTech Bullseye Grill, we'll be cooking chicken wings and making a special Alabama white barbecue sauce. First, we start with a simple but really good rub. Just 2 ingredients: Montreal chicken seasoning, ½ cup, and dry mustard. ¼ cup. Mix really well. Now put the rub away till later. Now it's time to make the sauce. 2 cups of mayonnaise, ½ cup of apple cider vinegar, two tablespoons of lemon juice, one teaspoon of prepared horseradish, two tablespoons of spicy mustard, one big tablespoon of sriracha, one teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, add salt to your own taste. Whisk till the sauce is smooth with no lumps. Now put the sauce in the refrigerator and let it sit for 1 hour. Here are the chicken wings. Yesterday I lightly salted them and let them sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours. This allows the skin to dry out and hopefully eliminates rubbery chicken skin. Now it's time to add the rub. Because the wings are small, I like to apply the rub with my hands. Just keep applying the rub, don't miss an inch. Make sure that every piece of chicken has a nice even coat of rub. Now it's off to the grill. If I could just get the grate free from the pan. I have preheated the Bullseye to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's the ambient or air temperature. I have laid the wire mesh grill on top of my grill grates. The grill grates do 2 things. First, they reduce flare-ups, and second, they maintain a high temperature less than an inch from the chicken, allowing the skin to render fat and become crispy. The chicken wings near the edge were cooked just as well as the ones in the middle. After flipping the chicken, I cooked them for another 20 minutes for a total cooking time of 40 minutes. They came out perfectly cooked. From cold grill to finished chicken wings, the total time was 49 minutes. Try to do that on your Weber kettle. So how did it come out? Skin was crispy but also easy to tear. The meat was just full of juice. Not one wing was dry, but also none were greasy. The second wing I had with the white barbecue sauce. All I can say is this sauce is perfect with wings. Also, it is made with no sugar, so if you're pre-diabetic like me, or just want to live a keto lifestyle, you can have all you want. The Bullseye Grill can cook chicken wings at 450 degrees Fahrenheit and not one wing was burnt. Bon appetit! If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Also, we really appreciate you watching.